Hey there, fabulous friends. Welcome back to Carla in California, my channel where we celebrate the vibrant over 50 lifestyle and share the journey of my incredible 100-pound weight loss. Today I've got a game changer for you, a quick and easy guide to kickstart your day with positivity and energy. Today I'm giving you a sneak peek into my meal prep routine that keeps me fueled and satisfied for 3 consecutive days. I've got my trusty containers lined up filled with a mix of protein snacks, vitamins, and hydration for the day. My go-to combo consists of a protein source, a veggie, a fruit, and of course a treat, whether it's a sweet, salty, or both. I believe in enjoying it in moderation, and I think that is the key to my successful weight loss journey. So here is what I made for the next 3 days. I kickstart my mornings usually with a protein shake, cold foam coffee, and I experiment with different skinny syrup flavors all the time to keep things exciting. Variety to me is the key secret weapon against food boredom, and that's why I prep for just 3 days at a time. This week it was all about chicken and bone broth with veggies. It worked out perfect because the weather here is so cold and rainy right now. And yes, I dipped my protein chips in cottage cheese. It is so good, trust me. Don't knock it till you try it. As I enjoy my meals, I pop my vitamins, sip on water, flavored and plain, and I stay flexible with treats like a cleverly portioned serving of Pop-Tarts. Back in the day, having sweets at home was a challenge, but now no foods are off limits. I've transformed my mindset, ditching restrictive diets for a more sustainable approach. Your meal prep, your rules. I've got some cashews thrown in for good measure, and if hunger strikes again later, I'll have some sugar-free Jell-O or some chicken with broth or a protein shake. Those are my go-tos. So embrace for whatever works for you. Break free from the cycle and let your meal prep be a reflection of your journey. Stay tuned for more tips, and remember, moderation is key. Until next time, happy prepping!